We are going to try all of this. Mine smells like vagina.
Mine does too, actually. Mine does too. Thank you.
Tienes tu platito.
Thank you.
Platito.
Platito?
Ya. Pequeñito.
I'm zooming in on your face.
I don't know how we're supposed to divide this out. Okay, is there something underneath this?
I don't know.
Let's investigate.
I don't know.
I think there's something underneath
I'm
all
very
this
scared.
Maybe it's just ingredients.
We're gonna die.
Oh, what is that?
Is that two shells?
Oh, yeah, there is something underneath there. Okay. You ready?
Yes.
I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start.
Why are they watching
Stop
us?
filming so I can start.
Start. What?
Okay, I'm scared.
Eat it.
What is this?
Eat it.
What is it?
Eat it. I don't know. Ask them.
Get a fork.
I don't know which one's which.
I know. It's okay. If we take a bite of one and we really like it, we'll ask them another one. Here, just take a fork and just get some out of it.
I'm scared.
Me too. Only a lot. Hot. It's still hot. Okay, I can't do this. No. Try this with me first. Try this. I'm scared of hot. We'll dip into yours after. I can't even get this. No, you have to get that with all of it. You have to get some of this.
I don't like it.
I don't know. Because I don't like it.
Are they watching us?
No, because they're tame.
Oh Jesus, it fell apart.
In your mouth.
It fell apart.
It's spicy.
What is it?
Oh no.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's actually not terrible, but it's hot. Oh gosh, it's hot.
I'm very scared. This is a... What the heck is it? We're gonna have to order something else.
No. I don't know what the hell that was.
Let's go call them here and ask them if it's really dog.
Which one's which? What is what? What is this? What is... We don't know what it is. We just
Tamal.
ordered.
That is?
Which one?
Carne. Tamal. One taco beef.
What's that?
Wait, which one is the taco with beef? This? Is the taco with beef?
No, it's one burrito.
Burrito?
Ya.
Enchilada?
No, tamal.
Molly?
¿Y el otro gordo qué es? ¿El que está en medio? Una enchilada. Una enchilada de yopo.
Burrito.
Burrito.
Molly.
No, tamal.
Tamale and enchilada?
Ya, enchilada.
And what was this?
Tostada, chalupa.
And that's taco.
One
And what is this?
Tostada, chalupa.
Huh.
Y entonces,
Okay, thank you.
¿todo bien? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hmm?
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama mean again?
What is your name?
What's your name?
Brittany. And that's Brittany. We're both Brittany.
And you?
Brittany. We really are both Brittany.
Las dos se llaman Brittany.
We try to
We can tell people that.
Kind of.
That turns off.